Hello again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. So I was sitting here and I was preparing for my next trip, and I still get a lot of calls from people who have convertible tops on their Jags that are not working, that they're still in disbelief that I travel anywhere in the country to repair cars. So in all honesty, with with this whole pandemic and the COVID-19 thing, my flights have slowed down, but if you're within driving distance, I'm still going to be your guy. Pick up the phone and give me a call at 888-317-9340. And yes, I do travel anywhere in the country, and we'll get back to normal here soon. So I'll be flying out to you guys in California before you know it. So don't be afraid to pick up the phone and book ahead, because once this COVID virus thing is all gone, I'm sure my calendar is going to fill pretty quickly. It usually does, especially around the turn of spring into summer. So pick up the phone again, give me a call. I'm still your guy. Be happy to help you out. Thank you. Bye.